Uppity, Unpacked. Understanding the phrase. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting English phrase, uppity. By the end of this video, you'll have a good grasp of its meaning, its origins, and how to use it in sentences. Uppity is an adjective that describes someone who is perceived as acting above their station or rank. It's often used to describe someone who is overly self-confident or arrogant. If someone is described as uppity, it typically means they're behaving as if they think they're more important or superior than they really are or than someone believes they should be. The term uppity has been in use since at least the late 19th century. It's believed to have originated in the southern United States, originally in African American vernacular English. Originally, the term was used in a racial context to criticize black individuals who didn't act subserviently or who challenged the status quo. Today, while its racial undertones have faded to some degree, it's essential to be aware of its history. It's a reminder to use the term cautiously and respectfully. Let's see how uppity can be used in sentences. 1. Ever since he got that promotion, he's been acting all uppity. 2. She doesn't like it when people get uppity with her. 3. There's no need to be uppity about it. We're all on the same team here. While these examples illustrate the use of the term, remember that it can sometimes come off as negative or derogatory. Ensure you understand the context and the feelings of those you're communicating with. And that's a wrap on uppity. It's always intriguing to learn the stories behind words and how they evolve over time. We hope you found this video enlightening and now have a better understanding of how to use the term appropriately. Keep exploring the English language, and until next time, happy learning!